All right, boys and girls, welcome back to Tuesday's math lesson. Yesterday we learned about measurement and we looked at two certain things. Today we're going to look at just one. We're going to look at length. We're going to see how long or short something is. So when we think length, I'm going to put it over here. We're thinking about this way, going across. Now I have the two words, short and long. What's short? Use your fingers. So show me short. Yep, short's just a little bit. So I'm going to make a little short blue line. Using your fingers, show me long. So this is short. What's long? This way, long, longer. So I'm going to make another long blue line. You can see that one's short and one's long. Now today, this is where I set a challenge. Because normally at school, let me grab it right here. We have cubes. We have lots of cubes, and this is what we would be using to measure with. But the thing is, you can measure with anything you have at home. So like I've said, find some Legos, find some paper clips, find, let's see, you could use different pieces at home, some crayons, whatever you need. You're going to do some measuring. Now I have a few things that we're going to measure. So the first thing I have is I have an eraser. I'm going to hold it up to you so you can see it. We're going to look and see how long or short the eraser is. Now I'm going to use cubes. Now it's kind of tricky because normally we'd have a table. So first thing I'm going to do is break apart my cubes. And when we're measuring, we want to see, we're going to see how many cubes long this eraser is. So I'm only going to do some. So here I have it. Do you see that eraser? Now I'm going to put this here. Now notice, actually I'll do it on this way you can see. Notice there's still some in front of it. That's not the right starting point. So I want to make sure I start up right at the end. Yep, there it is right at the end. I can see. Measure it at the end. Let's see, I can get some more. Put it right beside it, and another. So when I check, I'm going to look at the starting point and the ending point. I'm going to get closer so you can see. Do you see any parts? Let's turn it around this way too. Do you see this eraser? Is there any more room for another cube to be added? No. So how many cubes long is that eraser? It's 3. 3 cubes long. Remember the starting point and ending point. Let's just say, well, let's try another one and we'll see what it looks like. So I'm going to set my cubes to the side. This time, let's measure my pencil. Okay, so there's my pencil. I'm going to start at the point. I'm going to put it right here. Okay, there's my starting point. I'm starting right where the pencil starts. Then I'm going to take my cubes and put them right beside each other. I want to see how many cubes long is that pencil. Do I have enough cubes? No, I still need more. Let me break them apart and get my pencil back. See, we're making this work as we all are working and doing school from home. So you would need, I'll put this back up. I broke off more cubes. Okay, let's try it again. So at the starting point, I'm going to line them up and put them beside. And I want to go all the way to the end of the eraser. Ooh, this is a good one. Look close. You'll see I still have a little bit left of the eraser. It's not being covered enough. So I'm going to put one more to cover it. Now let's count how many cubes long is my pencil. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My pencil is 10 cubes long. Let's try one more. This is what you could do at home. Find anything around your house. Books, movies, pictures, scissors, blankets, maybe a special toy. You want to measure how long. So I'm going to put my crayon down. Remember, match up the starting point, because would that work if it's seen how much left over that crayon is? No, that's too much. So we want to make sure it starts at the same point and ends. So now, how many cubes long is that crayon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes long. So boys and girls, today in your math book, we're going to open up the pages. We're going to have to find, they're going to be asking for you to have cubes with you. Like I said, find anything in your house that you can use. Legos work great if you have them. Crayons, paper clips too. You're going to look for the length. You're going to look for short and long. Okay? Short, long. We're going to find length today. This is for Tuesday. If you finish this up, take some time, go around and use your cubes and your other things into your house and find the length of different objects. We're going to find out how many long they are. Okay? All right, I'll see you soon for the math lesson.